Every year, special group of the birds visit the Kachch and the Thar desert region, and these birds are known as a passage migrant birds. Passage migrant birds are a special bird who breed in Central and the West Asia, and from there they migrate to the Africa for their wintering. So during this time, they just stay for few days into the Kachch and the Thar desert area. The list of the passage migrant bird you can find here, the link given in this part. Most of the time, from the previous year, we have visited passage migrant into the Great Run of Kachch. This time, we come to the Ahmedabad, where we are going to search for the passage migrant. For this, we visit the sanctuaries visited nearby the Ahmedabad, like the Thal Bird Sanctuary, Nalsarovar Bird Sanctuary. Also, we try to search the area nearby the Ahmedabad, where there will be on the peripheral part of the Ahmedabad, where we are going to see. The previous year trip reports you can find in the description. If you want to see which birds we have seen, you can find there. So let's see which birds we see in a 3-day expenditure in the Ahmedabad peripheral part. So in these 3 days, we went for the three tanks for do the passage migrant bird. We have seen spotted flycatcher, blue chickadee eater, European roller, red-tailed shrike, and ray-backed shrike. Other birds are not seen in this area. Hope so. They are seen quickly. Here there was many birds, passage migrant birds are seen in the previous year. So we are expecting more birds might be come later on. So these are the birds we have seen recently in passage migrant of the Ahmedabad peripheral part. Other than that, we have seen the many other resident bird and a few migrating birds which already arrived in this area. So this all over. We have a nice experience in the September end where we find a good number of the species. If you like my video, do comment it and just share with your friends and see the regular updates about the wildlife video. Do subscribe to my channel and till then stay connected with the nature.